Today I'm saying hey from Aarhus in Skåne. We are visiting an ice cream factory that has a variety of 27 very, very good ice creams. The ice is really smaklig, as they say in Sweden. But why are we doing this? While we are enjoying ice cream, we use the same technology to make the ice, to freeze the ice, to store it for a long time. And it's a good time to remember over the benefit of an ice cream that the winter is coming. And this very same technology that can help us make the ice cream will also help us to keep our homes comfortable, snug and warm. So while you enjoy your ice cream at the end of the summer, start to think, is your heating system still up to date? Do you need to change it? Because then start that thinking process now so that you have a proper heating system before the winter comes. So what we see here is the cooling device that cools the ice cream down from a liquid paste into a more icy substance. It's going in here, it's cooled down and then it's packaged. If we were to eat enough ice cream, we could probably heat our houses and generate hot water from this machine. Of course, it would require many people to eat a lot of ice cream, to eat only one house. The heat, the waste heat from here is then brought into a water circuit, and then it's used in the factory and is discharged. For the Qvantum perspective, this could be the base load for our neutral loop, and then we would connect many small heat pumps to that loop and provide heating, cooling and hot water on the apartment level.